Well, I found a lot of numbers and letters that were written on the stones. It's still a mystery to me how they end up on the rocks. Maybe these records were made by people from Earth who marked interesting places with numbers and letters. It seems to me that there may be a lot of people on Mars who have explored the planet. They could have left these records on the rocks. It's hard for me to explain these numbers. It's more like a mark that people left. I found this in the same image as the numbers 780. This sculpture was found about 30 feet from the stone that was marked with numbers. Of course, this sculpture can be mistaken for a stone that has a whimsical appearance, and the face that you see in the sculpture can be a play of light and shadow. However, the numbers and the sculpture nearby are hardly a coincidence. Perhaps this place was marked in order to return and conduct archaeological excavations. Could this be a secret study of ancient Martian culture? It seems logical to me. Those people who fly to Mars and study it can hide it from the public. This is similar to the obelisk found in Egypt. The size of this object is much smaller because on Earth obelisks are simply huge. However, this obelisk on Mars is very similar. It also has a cylindrical shape and embossed hieroglyphs on it. This is strange enough. I see a strange object that looks like some parts from a broken mechanism. This may be debris from a device launched from Earth, but it's hard to believe because it looks like something ancient. This is not the first object that looks like a metal break. Notice the smooth spherical object among the rocks. I think it's a skull. More precisely, the part of the skull that we see. You can see the eye holes and the nose. This is not the first find in which you can clearly make out the skull. I will also show you an example of a similar skull from Earth. I can see the numbers on the stones. I can make out the numbers 9, 12, 27. There are more, but they are difficult to make out. Arabic numerals on Mars are strange. It seems to me that they were left by Earth people to mark this place. It can also be a date.